Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about buffalo chicken wrap. So let's start the video. Although the buffalo in the name immediately perks my ears up, and I love this tangy spicy flavor, and these buffalo chicken wraps are so fresh and delicious. The spice level is mild because of other ingredients, so add some hot sauce if you want them spicier. How to make buffalo chicken wrap. Slice chicken breast into several long thin stripes. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, hot sauce, paprika, garlic powder and salt. Add chicken and allow to marinate for at least 10 minutes or up to 6 hours. In a large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat, add the chicken strips. Cook until no longer pink, about 4 to 5 minutes. 3. Meanwhile, place tortillas on a plate and spread with a thin layer of blue cheese or ranch dressing. Layer with the lettuce, carrot, avocado and cheese. Arrange a few chicken strips down the center of each tortilla. Wrap tightly like a burrito. Serve with side of hot sauce or extra dressing if desired. And the best part about these wrap is how easy they are to make. Less than 30 minutes and you have got to tasty dinner or lunch ready to go. Also, you can load them with more veggies than just the one I listed, and consider trying multiple other factors and other recipes such as chicken bacon avocado wrap, crispy barbecue chicken wrap, honey barbecue chicken wrap, crispy southwest wrap and chicken cashew crunch wrap, chicken cashier wrap, etc. When we talk about chicken cashier wrap, and the recipe is: toss ingredients, add chicken, lettuce, tomato, cheese, croutons and Caesar salad dressing to a large mixing bowl and toss well to combine. Fill tortilla and roll. Add a big spoonful of mixture to a tortilla and roll tightly, folding the sides in like a burrito. Secure with toothpicks if necessary. More 15 minutes meal: black bean and corn quesadillas, Italian grilled cheese, ham and cheese sandwich with honey mustard sauce. Consider trying these popular wrap: chicken bacon avocado wrap and chicken bacon avocado wrap recipe is very simple and easy like other ones. Basically, these all recipes can be made with a same formula and almost same recipe. So guys, related to these recipes, what you think, must tell us in comment section. Thank you so much for watching.